Now that we have generated a base image, let's add more detail to the prompt. For example, by specifying the building materials. Instead of just saying a modern two-story villa, I can say a modern two-story villa with, for example, red brick facade. Let's see the result. The form and surroundings remain the same, but notice how the red brick completely changed the atmosphere of the design. What else can I try? Let's test natural wood as a facade material. I will take the same base prompt and simply add a modern two-story villa with natural wood facade. Here is the result. Again, everything else stays the same, but the natural wood creates a warm, appealing vibe. You can clearly see how quickly Midjourney refines an idea that starts in your mind, turning it into something tangible and inspiring. Now let's test another material. Exposed concrete, for example. So we should write a modern two-story villa with exposed concrete facade. This time we see concrete combined with some metallic elements. The overall look feels much more industrial and modern. As we can see, by experimenting with different materials, we can quickly explore a wide range of architectural ideas. Here, I kept it simple by applying one material across the whole facade, but you can also specify different materials for different parts of the building or even mix them. The results are always full of inspiration for new concepts.